We are chilling.
Found something.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. This way, I wanna show off my my fort. I wanna clip this shit. Look at this.
Okay.
Alright, there you go. This is the coolest thing. That was 5 different sentries up there, just in that one little area.
Ow.
Calling in extraction. Democracy is calling in extraction.
Yes. Hmm. Oh. Oh shit. Okay. The smoking holes in the ground, you can throw a grenade in them and it does a bunch of explosions. Bring automatons across it. Oh.
Tagging location west.
Oh yeah. 1 second. Let me I have an idea for this one. And this is for Super Earth. Alright. Oh.
Drop ships.
No, just No, it's what's here.
No diver left behind.
Yeah, I threw one at the robots coming. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, honestly, you could probably just skip this because it's... Holy shit,
Oh fuck. Oh shit. What the fuck?
It's a really good shotgun. It's a shotgun that you'll use for like the whole time.
Oh my gosh! Wow, those warriors.
No! No!
What just happened?
Yes!
Judge me again, I fucking you.
Damn, that bug went flying. What up?
You glad too, huh?